think we're live. Good morning. This is Shannon, Birdsong Quilting, coming to you from our favorite quilt store, Birdsong Quilting, every Wednesday at 10 a.m. live. And I want to thank you for joining us. So we get together every week and we go over upcoming classes. We show new product. We show samples we've made. We talk about all kinds of things here. And today we're going to talk about some new things, and I'll start by showing this lovely quilt. This was a quick go together using this transparency layer cake. Let me hold this up right. Ruth, can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yep, so this layer cake was used along with 1 yard of background fabric in a free pattern called Spring Picnic by Only Fabric Thread.
Only Fabric
Thread. That's the name of the designer, and her pattern is called Spring Picnic. You can get the free pattern that she has online. And we love the design, so you can do this design with any number of layer cakes, but we picked this geometric one called Transparency by, I believe, Benetech. So we have these available if you need to make a quick something for spring. I love the bright colors. How about you, Ruth?
I like the 3D dimension look.
She likes the three-dimensional, yeah. So speaking of quick go-together patterns, we are a big fan of our Villa Rosa patterns here, and we just got a new shipment in. So if you stop by the store, you can thumb through these. We're going to change up the display and make room for all of these, but in the meantime, just know that we always have new patterns coming in every single month. And you're welcome to come and take a look at them. It's always great to have a well-written pattern right handy, so if you need to throw together a quilt. A lot of them are categorized by the pre-cuts they use, or yardage, fat quarters, layer cake, etc. So I love this first one here, Sparkle Stripes.
Very nice.
Ruth wasn't supposed to turn the camera, because
I can't see the pattern.
She gave a sneak peek to our other newest thing. So we now have a, what's it called? What's the printer called?
DTF.
A DTF printer here at the shop, and we are going to start printing our own t-shirts. So we took a few to the show this past weekend, the Quilters Day Out, both at Stringtown and Lexington. And we now have these hanging in the store. If you're interested, this one says Quilting with My Peeps at Birdsong Quilting. So we'll look for new statements and logos on here, and stop in the store and pick yourself up a t-shirt for Birdsong. Thank you guys for joining us, and have a great week.